A major shift may be coming to the camera industry, and surprisingly, it is not being led by the traditional giants. Instead, all attention is slowly drifting toward DJI, a company best known for redefining drone cinematography and portable stabilization systems. For years, DJI has dominated aerial imaging, building an ecosystem that blends hardware, software, and intelligent motion control. Now, a growing wave of rumors suggests the company is preparing for something far more ambitious, a full-fledged mirrorless camera system expected to debut at CES 2026. If these reports are accurate, DJI would be stepping directly into one of the most competitive segments in the entire imaging industry. The mirrorless camera market has long been ruled by established names like Sony, Canon, and Nikon, companies with decades of experience in optics and sensor engineering. Yet DJI's rumored entry is not being viewed as a typical new competitor. Instead, it is being discussed as a potential disruptor, one that could introduce an entirely different philosophy to professional photography and filmmaking. What makes this situation particularly interesting is DJI's background. Unlike traditional camera manufacturers that began with still photography, DJI's foundation is built around motion. From the earliest consumer drones to advanced cinematic platforms, the company has consistently focused on capturing stabilized, dynamic footage. Its expertise lies not just in hardware, but in computational imaging, AI-driven tracking, and real-time processing systems that adjust to movement instantly. This unique foundation is now believed to influence the design direction of its rumored mirrorless camera. Industry speculation suggests that the DJI mirrorless camera could represent a fusion of multiple technologies the company has already perfected. Drone imaging pipelines, gimbal stabilization systems, and compact action camera engineering may all converge into a single interchangeable lens device. Instead of treating photography and videography as separate disciplines, DJI appears to be aiming for a unified system designed for hybrid creators who move constantly between still and motion capture. Another major factor driving speculation is DJI's ongoing partnership with Hasselblad. Over the past several years, this collaboration has already shaped the color science in DJI's drone cameras, producing more natural tones, smoother gradients, and improved highlight roll-off. Many analysts believe this partnership will directly influence the mirrorless system as well. If integrated deeply into the camera's processing pipeline, Hasselblad's color expertise could allow DJI to deliver cinematic-grade image output directly from the camera, reducing the need for heavy post-production adjustments. From a design perspective, early expectations point toward a compact yet professional body. Rather than replicating the bulky DSLR-style designs of the past, DJI is expected to focus on portability, clean ergonomics, and intuitive control layouts. The camera is rumored to combine a solid grip structure with a lightweight frame, making it suitable for handheld shooting, travel filmmaking, and on-the-go production environments. This aligns with DJI's broader design philosophy, which prioritizes mobility without sacrificing capability. One of the most strategically important rumored decisions involves lens compatibility. Multiple reports suggest that DJI may adopt the L-mount system, a move that would instantly connect the camera to a mature and widely supported lens ecosystem. This would give users access to high-quality lenses from manufacturers such as Leica, Sigma, and Panasonic from day one. For any new camera system, lens availability often determines success or failure, and joining an established mount standard would eliminate one of the biggest adoption challenges. Durability is also expected to be a key focus. DJI has extensive experience building rugged drones and weather-resistant imaging devices, and this expertise is likely to carry over into the mirrorless camera. A magnesium alloy body is widely anticipated, providing both strength and reduced weight. Combined with possible environmental sealing, the camera could be designed for real-world professional use, including outdoor filming in unpredictable conditions such as rain, dust, and temperature extremes. At the heart of all speculation lies the sensor system. The DJI mirrorless camera is widely rumored to feature a full-frame sensor, potentially around the 45 megapixel range. This would place it directly in competition with high-resolution hybrid cameras already established in the professional market. A sensor of this caliber would offer exceptional detail, strong dynamic range, and improved flexibility in post-production workflows. However, DJI's real advantage may not come from the sensor alone, but from how that data is processed. The company already handles complex imaging tasks in its drone systems, where multiple layers of computational processing are used to optimize exposure, reduce noise, and enhance clarity in real time. If this approach is extended into a mirrorless system, it could produce highly refined images with minimal manual adjustment required from the user. Autofocus is another area where expectations are especially high. DJI has already developed advanced tracking systems for drones and gimbals, where real-time subject detection and predictive movement are essential. These technologies are expected to transition into the mirrorless camera, enabling AI-powered autofocus capable of recognizing humans, animals, vehicles, and fast-moving objects with high accuracy. Eye tracking, continuous autofocus during video recording, and improved low-light focusing performance are also widely anticipated features. If executed properly, this system could rival or even surpass existing autofocus technologies in the market, particularly for hybrid shooters who require reliability across both photography and video. Video performance is arguably where DJI could make its biggest impact. The company already plays a dominant role in cinematic aerial production, and that expertise is expected to carry directly into the mirrorless system. Rumors suggest support for 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second, allowing for high-quality slow-motion footage with strong detail retention. As CES 2026 approaches, anticipation continues to build steadily. Whether the final product matches the rumors or takes a different direction entirely, the conversation itself has already changed the industry. DJI's rumored entry has made one thing clear: the future of mirrorless cameras may look very different from the past.